How to recover a forgotten PNC Bank username. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you forgot your PNC Bank username, well, no worries. In this video, I will show you how to recover it using the PNC website. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser, and now here, once inside the web browser, just click on the search bar and simply search for PNC Bank. And now here, from the search result, just click on the first link, and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the PNC Bank. Now here, once you see the interface like this, you can simply click on the sign on button, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. So here, once you click on it, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, just click on forget ID or password, and after that you'll be prompted to the next page where you'll be asked if you know your user ID or no. So here, simply select no, and after that, you simply have to give your information that you know from your account. Like here, it is asking what you want to use to verify your identity. So here, you can simply select this. So here, I'm going to simply select the social security number, and after that, I simply have to enter my account social security number. And here, once the information is verified, PNC will send your username to your registered email address. So there you can simply check your inbox and sometimes your spam and junk folder too for an email with PNC with a user ID. And that's it. That's how you can recover your PNC bank username. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.